Moving from post-exposure attribution to causal-based measurement is not easy, but it's definitely worth the effort. Why? Let me explain. Transitioning from conventional post-exposure attribution to causal measurement is a pretty big move, and marketers need to kind of relearn and reframe how they think about measurement. And here's how you can balance this existing attribution setup while making this crucial transition. So firstly, you can start with a hybrid approach. Don't just throw out your multi-touch attribution setup just yet. Begin with running your existing multi-touch attribution alongside the new unified marketing measurement framework. This allows you to compare the results and build confidence in your new approach. Second, you can identify the gaps, right? Use the causal models to spot where your multi-touch attribution is falling short. Are there any hidden relationships in the setup that is missing? Are you overvaluing certain touch points? This gap analysis helps you guide this transition. Third, you can gradually start shifting your decision-making process. As you gain confidence in your new setup, you can start incorporating some of those insights into your decision governance. This doesn't mean abandoning it overnight, but essentially slowly start calibrating these numbers with these causal insights. This has to be a very calculated approach and has to be done by people who know what they're doing. Fourth, you have to educate your team. Causal measurement requires a different mindset. It requires an investing in training your team to understand and interpret these causal insights. And this also is crucial to get the buy-in of your stakeholders rather than just implementing it without taking these careful steps. Fifth, you have to adapt your data infrastructure because you're going to need more data and a lot more diverse data inputs that a typical attribution model might need. And so you have to gradually expand your data collection and understand how to integrate all of their data so you can feed these models effectively. Six, you have to focus on incrementality. One of the biggest advantages of causal measurement is that its ability to isolate true incremental impact. So you have to start by applying some of these models and experiments onto your most critical channels that need these incremental insights and essentially start demonstrating the value of making those decisions based on those insights. Seven, implement your test and learn program. Essentially use experimentation to validate all of your causal models, and this helps you build credibility and helps you fine-tune this new approach over time. So at Lifesight, we've guided numerous clients through this transition. One e-commerce giant saw a 35% improvement in their outcomes within 6 months of adopting this hybrid causal attribution approach.